Clinton Cole here from Rusty Hinge Designs. So if you've watched, I wonder if I did both, what would happen? But I'm gonna try to go right in the middle here, roughly the middle. Okay, is that a bubble or is that a lump? That's just a bubble. All right. Is that a lump? Nope, bubble again. So there's the white. Gosh, I think I'm just gonna keep the white in the middle and not do any black. I don't think. I'm gonna try to do it without black. So I like to do this just to kind of help it stick to the canvas a little bit, make sure it's worked in there a little bit. Okay. And then okay, so let's start with the color. So I'm gonna kind of go like how the ground would be with dark brown and kind of gold and green on top. You're thinking, where have you seen dark brown, gold, and green on the ground? But in my head, that's how I see it. So that's how I'm gonna do it. So I've got an idea to try to make the bottom part thick, then thinner and thin, because when you swipe, the colors that you're swiping just cover up everything. So I always kind of did them evenly. I'm thinking maybe that's part of the problem. I'm gonna get this landscape look I imagine in my head, and I can never seem to get it, but one of these days we're gonna do it, and hopefully that day is today. So we're gonna kind of imagine this being like a hill, like a little valley there, running down. Okay. See the silicone already breaking this stuff up there. Maybe I put too much in there. I don't know. That's another thing though. There's so many videos you'll watch of people telling you. I've seen people literally take out scales to get exact. And I'm just going, man, that's, if you want to get that deep on it, more power to you. But I'm cool. I just like I'm more of a play it by ear kind of guy. So let's get while I'm doing this here and got all this here, let's go ahead and tap this side here just to make sure we're covered while it's drying. It'll obviously flow over there more when you do a swipe, but I really want to try to get as much as I can on in the beginning. In the beginning, there was acrylic chlorine. All right, I forgot my little rag here. Okay. Like I said, we're gonna swipe, so it doesn't gotta be perfectly smooth. Just try to give it a good little coverage there. All right, so the next color, we're gonna go with this gold here. Oh, and I forgot to show you the gold. I'm sorry. Then we got the Flow, Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. I think it's just called gold, right? What is this one called? Metallic gold. Metallic gold. That's the gold one. Forgot to show you. Forgive me, please forgive. All right. This gold, you know what? This gold is a little thicker than I want it to be. I'm gonna get a little more distilled water, and all of them have distilled water in them to loosen them up a little bit and get them a little more runny. The Artist Loft Flow paint is a lot thicker than the acrylic, the normal acrylic little bottles I get. I noticed, so I got to put more water in that one to get it a little bit looser. All right, that should be good. So this one will be a little bit thicker. I mean, a little bit wider than the green one's gonna be. Okay. And let's put the green in there. Wow. Yeah. I'm thinking in my own head, then I just answer myself out loud in my own head. So yeah, yeah. Sometimes I'm a little nutty when it comes to that stuff. Go a little bit slower so I don't get it intermixed with the white too much there. Kind of want that white to hold it in place. I think I might just swipe this part without even. Yeah, I think I might do that. I'm gonna swipe this part and then do the next part up there and swipe it that way. So. Let's do the first. Oh shoot! I'm sorry. Man, this. Oh darn! Again, did it again. This darn camera. I'm gonna try to get you a little bit closer here too. Let's go just a tad closer there for you. It's on the boom arm. That's why every time it bumps, it kind of goes like that. Is that a good description of movement? I don't know. I don't know, my friends. All right, let's take them. And this is my first time using plastic too. We've used paper towels, we've used cloths and cardboard, and I've had best luck with probably the paper towels, but I thought we've got a lot of this plastic. It's really, you know, thin. You're not wasting a lot of plastic by using it, so I want to try this. But I have no idea how it's going to work. What's kind of cool about using the plastic is you can kind of see through there a little bit, see what you're doing a little better. And the great thing is I can let it just drop right in the silicone, let it sit there for a while, and when I pull it back up, that'll dry in there. Ooh, yeah. It's a good start, I think. I think I'm liking that. So let's get a little bit more white in the middle here, just so I got a little more to drag with me when I am with me. You know what I mean? Drag as I go upwards. Actually, you know what? Get a little bit more in here. And you really want to try to remember to every time you do it to wipe it off. I mean, if you're going to do some kind of big old thing where it's all going to mix, and I guess it doesn't matter, but I've made the mistake of forgetting, and then I go to touch it and get all the color in there, like, no! And I was like, Emilio! What movie's that from, everybody? Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Night at the Roxbury. Alright, let's, oh, should I go purple to green or green to purple? You know what, since I've got green there, I'm gonna go purple first. Kind of break that up a little bit. So, obviously the purple is going to have to be, a lot on here too. And when you're swiping, you really want to make sure you get some on the side there, because it will certainly go away from you if you don't. Oh my gosh, you know what? I don't know if I'm gonna have enough purple. I may just have to, I may have to put a little bit of black on the very, very top. I think I might do that. What is that right there? Get a little something right there. That was not a bubble, that was pure grossness. Alright. There we go. Okay. Yeah, I definitely think I'm about to get a little bit of black on the top, because this aquamarine is not gonna go, it is not gonna go all the way, my friends. This is one of my favorite colors, this aquamarine. I just love the way this looks. It's so beautiful. On that side there. Yeah, looks good. Let's get the black here, shake it up, and like I said, there is silicone in every color except for the black and white. You already see that green breaking through there. That's warning me. I'm gonna have to put a little bit more white in there, I think, when I swipe. Okay. The colors just quite yet. Mix it there a little bit. Oh man, isn't black just beautiful? Pure black. I don't want to get too deep on you guys, but my mom will, you know what? Well, I'll tell you. I don't want to start getting into this. But my mom always said she thought that's what hell was, not fire, just pure blackness, just nothingness. You can't see, you can't do anything. I thought, oh God, that'd be horrible. All right, sorry, let's not get deep on that. All right, let's, because I want to swipe up there, but I'm afraid, is that going to mess up when I try to mix it with the white? Let's see. Let's see if we can't cover this white up a little bit here. You know, did you notice how I just said, let's see if we can't do it? I heard someone explain that once, that people always say, let's see if we can do this, or let's see if we can. And they say, if you're thinking that way, let's see if we can, it means you're thinking you can't, and you want to see if you can. It's better to think that you can and see if you can't. You know, like, I know I can do this, let's see if I can do it. So, that's why I say, let's see if we can do this. Alright, I'm gonna let this, actually, I can use, I think I can use the other side of this plastic. Are we still recording? Yep, good. I think I use the other side as plastic. I just don't want it to drip on there. That should be okay. Fold it over a little bit. But I do need to, whoa, watch out, chair. Work my way over here. And hopefully I can get this going just right here. Okay. Now this is the harder part because I really gotta watch what. That's good. Don't really want that green to. I don't really want that green to go up too much, but it sort of did. Well, it's kind of weird how the purple stuck to it a little bit at the top there, huh? Oh, I still like it though. I really like that a lot. Like I said, you know, so I'm realizing that I probably shouldn't have put more white up there is what I'm thinking. I would have liked that. I should have just kept that white and drug it. I think it would have been a little bit more thin, but still, it's still pretty cool though. I'm liking it. So, oh geez, well, better to bump the table than bump the camera. I think what I'm gonna do is experiment a little bit here with these little droppers. Can you see these on the camera? Got these little tiny droppers here. I'm gonna drop little drops here and then try to make maybe little star shapes out of them or something, and see if that's even feasible here. Let's take a look. I guess you actually have to get some in the drop. Now these droppers are so small I can't even. Oh, geez, no! Oh, please fall back together. Did you see that? Obviously you saw it. I just dropped. Oh man, it flew right out of my hand. Oh no. Well, fortunately, it didn't mess it up too bad. And once that paint starts to fall back together, I don't think, well, you'll be able to tell because you know, but I don't think anyone else will be able to tell. Gosh darn it. Well, there you go. Hey, I'm a klutz. I've always been a klutz. That's just, that's par for the course for me. That was pretty funny though. Alright, let's get a little more of this one here. Oh, shoot! Well, we're gonna have a big one over here, folks. Shoot. Oh, it really makes a difference if you don't go right from the center. You can really tell it starts to look messed up. Alright, that looks cool. Let's see, let's get a purple in there. Let's even that out with that purple. Yeah, I'm really liking this one. This one looks pretty darn cool. See, we fixed that white spot there by putting that stuff in there. Now it doesn't look so big in there. And it looks like the white this parts are starting to be more present. The white kind of shrunk away a little bit there. But, man, I'm really liking this one. This is really pretty. Again, it's not quite the landscape I wanted, but it's closer. They're getting closer. Oh, you know what? Will it ruin it if I put little white drops up there and try to make little white stars? Like that's the sky? Will that ruin it? You know what, you guys? There's no other way to tell than to try, right? I'm trying it. I'm sure I can hear the no's out there. I can hear the people saying no. I can hear you guys. I think I got another drop over here too. Yeah. Oh, we got a whole pack over here. We're good. Yeah, I can hear people saying no. Oh man, I can feel you guys saying no, even though the video is being recorded right now and I have not uploaded yet, so that makes no sense. How can I feel you saying no from the future? But from the future, I can feel you guys saying no, and I'm really thinking if I should. Yep, you guys have convinced me. Can I talk? You guys have convinced me. I'm leaving it just like this. I'm gonna do some with the leftover colors on a smaller one and try to get a little more of a. I want to do some stars. So, oh, you know what I did forget to do though is touch up the sides here. Give me 1 second. And I will, when I'm done touching up the sides here to make sure there's no white canvas showing, I will get the camera a little bit closer for you. Although, you know what? I'll probably just end up taking pictures at the end anyways. All right, so yeah, that looks pretty cool. Yeah, it kind of looks a little broken up like it was meant to be there a little bit, so I don't mind that so much. I mean, if I had my choice, I wish it wouldn't have done that, because then those would be connected and look even all the way across, but you can see where the white breaks up a little there, breaks up a little there, so it's okay. A little, you know, there are no mistakes, just happy accidents. Let's get a little bit of gold right there. There we go. Yeah, that is really looking cool. Yeah, the boom arm that the camera's on, it takes so much to take it off. That's why I want to see if I can just maybe get a little bit closer for you guys there. You know what? I'm gonna take it off so you guys can see it better. So I'll be right back. All right, we're back. Camera is off. Try to block this light over here so it's not so shiny on there. But those cells really started to break up nicely. And then here's all the little sort of star figures. Trying to shoot, it's getting too blurry. Yeah, can't get too close, otherwise it gets too blurry. So yeah, I think it came out pretty darn cool. Hope you guys liked it. Like, share, enjoy, all that good stuff. Share it with your friends, sub, leave a comment below, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.